Hi everyone and welcome to Classic Cars Cheap. In today's video, we're going to take a look at 14 classic cars that are available on the market for next to nothing. Stick around for some fantastic deals. Number 1. The 1934 Dodge Pickup, priced at $31,500. This 1933 Dodge Hot Rod features a rebuilt 472 Cadillac big block engine mounted on a custom frame. According to the seller, the car has only 991 miles since the rebuild and consistently turns heads wherever it goes. The car is listed as being in good condition. The seller is also open to trades, specifically for 2 jet skis, a 2-door side-by-side, or similar recreational vehicles. Located in Baltimore County, Maryland. Number 2. The 1934 5-window coupe. All steel except rear fenders are glass. Older build, same owner for last 25 years, blown small block Chevy, automatic trans. Everything works great. Cruiser 400 horsepower-ish, has a turbo 400 trans/10 bolt with cruising gears. All chrome and trim and grille very nice. Asking $43,000 OBO. Car is located in Gaithersburg, Maryland 20879. Happy to put it on a lift for inspection. Private sale, no financing thanks. Located in District, Montgomery County, Maryland. Number 3. The 1928 Ford Tudor, priced at $35,000. According to the seller, this 1928 Ford features an original steel coupe body paired with custom fiberglass fenders. Power comes from a 350 Chevy small block fitted with a blower and backed by an automatic transmission. The car has a custom interior and is reported to have about 1,000 miles since the build. As the seller notes, it's a 2-owner vehicle. The seller is asking $35,000 or best offer and requests serious inquiries only. Located in Hoffman Estates, Illinois. Number 4. The 1932 Studebaker, priced at $38,000. This 1932 Studebaker features a custom build with a 1990 Chevrolet 350 small block engine paired to a turbo 400 3-speed automatic transmission. Power is sent to a Ford 9 inches rear end. The car also includes a 32 Ford-style 4-bar front grille, a Superbell front axle, Sanderson headers, and flaming river steering components. It's equipped with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor and has been fully rewired. The body has undergone significant customization, though it still retains elements of its original pre-war styling. The seller notes additional custom work not listed and mentions that the car is being sold on behalf of a friend. Located in Bozeman, Montana. Number 5. The 1923 Ford Model T C-Cab, priced at $22,000. As the seller notes, this 1923 C-Cab is a Spirit Industries build with both a new body and chassis. It's powered by a Jegs 350 crate motor with gear drive, paired to a TCI Turbo 350 automatic transmission and stall converter. The setup includes Stromberg-style carbs, MSD ignition, and a tilt steering column from Grant. Nearly everything under the hood is chrome or polished. According to the seller, the car is in very good condition overall but still needs upholstery work and some minor electrical finishing. Located in Paulden, Arizona. Number 6. The 1932 Ford Victoria, priced at $35,000. As the seller notes, this 1932 Victoria Street Rod features a rebuilt 350 small block engine with low miles, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. According to the seller, the body is fiberglass with a 4 inches roof chop and suicide doors. Additional features include electric tinted windows, air conditioning, airbags, wire spoke wheels, new tires, and new brakes. The interior has been recently redone with fresh upholstery. Located in Redding, California. Number 7. The 1933 Plymouth PD Coupe, priced at $65,000. This 1933 Plymouth is a steel-bodied 5-window street rod build completed by Paul's Rods and Restos in 2010. The original steel body is paired with fiberglass front and rear fenders, finished in DuPont Metal Flake Tropical Blue with a clear coat. It features a 32 Ford-style grille and chrome firewall. Power comes from a 1973 350 small block with 4-bolt mains, flat-top pistons, small chamber heads, 2.02 intake valves, a high lift cam, roller rockers, and dual Edelbrock 500 CFM carbs. The engine is dressed in chrome, billet, and polished accessories. It's mated to a TH350 automatic with a cooler, sending power to an 8.8 Ford rear end with 2.82 gears. Suspension includes a fully adjustable setup, Fatman Mustang 2 IFS subframe with chrome control arms and QA1 coilovers up front, and an Art Morrison 4-link rear with chrome QA1S in back. New brakes, lines, and proportioning valve installed. It rides on Craigar SS rims, 14 inches front, 15 inches rear, with wide 31 by 12.5 Hoosier tires out back. The custom interior includes a wood dash with VDO gauges, an Idiot chrome tilt column, locker pedals, billet flame steering wheel, gray upholstery with Dynamat insulation, vintage heater, and a full stereo system with satellite radio, wired with a painless harness. Recently fitted with a new fuel tank and rebuilt carbs. The seller reports over $100,000 invested. Located in West Babylon, New York. Number 8. The 1931 Ford Roadster, priced at $40,000. This 1931 Roadster has just 500 miles on the build. According to the seller, it's powered by a Chevrolet Big Block paired with an automatic transmission featuring overdrive. Notable features include a locker shifter, full gauge cluster, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a chrome quick-change rear-end setup. Clean title in hand. Located in Woodland Park, Colorado. Number 9. The 1937 Chevrolet pickup, priced at $28,000. As the seller notes, this 1937 Chevy Hot Rod pickup features a 383 small block engine mated to a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It sits on a Ford 9 inches rear end and has just over 10,000 miles since the build, according to the seller. The exterior is finished in red with a black interior, and the rear tires are reportedly new. Clean title in hand. Price listed as, or best offer. Located in Emporia, Kansas. Number 10. The 1957 Ford Custom, priced at $19,500. According to the seller, this 1957 Ford was built with drag racing in mind and features a non-stock 472 Cadillac engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. The rear end is a Ford 9 inches Posey traction with 3.59 gears, and it includes fender well headers. The seller describes the car as fun to drive. As the seller notes, the body is rust-free with good paint and interior condition. Electric power steering is available but not yet installed. The car also has other drag-specific features, though they aren't fully detailed. The seller holds a clean title and is open to reasonable offers and trades, especially for Tri-5s or similar vehicles, but is not interested in major project cars. Located in Parkville, Missouri. Number 11. The 1932 Ford 3-window coupe, priced at $75,000. This 1932 3-window coupe features the original steel body and is powered by a 355 engine equipped with a 671 blower. It's paired with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. The interior is finished in leather. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well. No trades are being considered. Interested buyers are encouraged to reach out to negotiate. Located in Lockport, Illinois. Number 12. The 1934 Chevrolet 3-window coupe, priced at $50,000. Completely turnkey, done, touring car. This 1934 Chevy features a Downs fiberglass body with a 4 inches chopped top. It includes steel hood and side panels, painted and ready for installation. Built on a TCI chassis, the car has fresh custom paint with ceramic coating and custom graphics. The interior is new with updated seats and carpeting. Under the hood is a newly balanced 383-stroker with aluminum Edelbrock heads and dual 600 CFM Edelbrock carburetors. It also has a SCAT 400 crank, SCAT ARP 8740 rod bolts, SCAT 9864 rods, and AW 155 oil pump. Other features include ceramic-coated headers and a Walker radiator. The drivetrain includes a Tremec 5-speed transmission, Ford 9 inches rear end, and Willwood disc brakes on all 4 corners. Suspension features: Mustang rack and pinion steering, chrome tubular A-arms with coilovers, and a painless wiring harness. Vintage air and heat, power windows, door and trunk poppers, an 18-gallon fuel tank, and a stereo system with Bluetooth amplifier and 4 6x9 speakers. New rims and tires complete the look. Trades may be considered, but the seller emphasizes the car's value at $50,000. The seller describes it as a fully refreshed street rod with all new components. Located in Waterford, Wisconsin. Number 13. The 1930 Ford 5-window coupe, priced at $45,000. According to the seller, this 1930 Ford is a full restoration with nearly every bolt and nut replaced or upgraded. It's powered by a rebuilt 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, both with around 5,000 miles on them. The exterior is painted yellow, while the interior is finished in gray. Located in Sacramento, California. Number 14. The 1934 Chevrolet 3-window coupe, priced at $59,900. According to the seller, this 1934 Chevy Pro Street hot rod is powered by a blown 454 engine equipped with an 871 supercharger and dual Holley 850 carburetors. It features a chrome Fab 9 rear end, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a chrome-dropped front suspension setup. An aluminum radiator helps keep the engine cool. The car rides on 2 new Hoosier rear tires size 33 by 21 and is equipped with Zoomy headers and a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It has had just 2 owners. Clean title. Located in Sun City West, Arizona. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notifications.